Panic Eat. 3, 2, 1. What to a hooky dookie! Whoa, our house did not hurtle the horse. Each time we hear that tea turning contain together, and they think, what to a hooky dookie! What to a hooky dookie! It looked like the eaters are coming to a nanny house. Nanny, what to hooky dookie? Hooray, we did it! Oh, an orange truck! Yay, we're in Kenya! It's a seed. No, don't!